dug the pot and stripped it cold, filling it up with big stones, hard to touch like you've never known. Say goodbye to Miss Goody Two Shoes. You heard it right when you heard the news. I never knew how much fun it would be playing the field.
She's actually the writer of this song, and we've never practiced this, so I'm hoping we don't mess it up for you, Takara, but we're gonna try.
You said you would hold me, and that's all it took to be comforted in the arms of a crook. You stole my heart and ran far away. Now you've come back wanting to stay. Well, I don't need this now. I'm already over you, and I don't trust anything you say or do. This is feeling good, I won't deny. Don't think you're stealing my heart tonight. They warned me about you, had to find out if it were true. Dipped in, got my feet wet. Holy cow, I'm glad we met. They were right, you're so nice. My prayers were answered that night. Feeling good, higher than cloud nine. I'm gonna keep you, I hope you don't mind. Gonna keep you, I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna keep you, I can't resist. Where do you ever learn to treat a girl like this? Doing circles in my mind, butterflies flying. You're so fine, just stand tight. Gonna keep you, I hope you don't mind. Baby, I've turned our love around, put both our feet back on the ground. Just when I thought our love was gone, you go and amaze me. It was so good when we first met. That first year I'll never forget.
Oh, I fell in and I felt good. Thought I had it handled. Baby, you
Turned our love around, put both our feet back on the ground. Just when I thought our love was gone, you go and amaze me. I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaken, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to